Stop it, okay, it's just a minute. Oh. So, now
There you go, Josh.
Go, Josh. Go, Steve.
All right, Steve, you're halfway up.
I climbed high though. So far it's been 32 seconds.
Go, Steve, go.
Now where?
I thought you said Steve-O.
Come on, Steve. Come on.
Do you have your left foot again on that little one that you had? What if you use your
Blue one's lean.
Yeah. Then use your right leg to push up. Okay, perfect.
Oh no, he's probably gonna make it higher than me. He's probably gonna make it higher than me.
Use your right foot you gotta...
Okay, I'm done.
Get ready to blast off.
Coming down.
Okay. So, like on the wall.
Be like a nuke. That was like a nuke.
Did you catch that on video?
Well, I was like that, and then I accidentally,
Yeah. Okay.
I must have had a different route last time.
Okay. You almost had it. If you
That must have looked pretty funny.
if you had your left foot up on the big one.
All of a sudden, she was just disappearing on me.
You need to gain some weight.
That was fun.
Midtail is try not.
Did you get that on camera?
Yeah,
Yeah? Still
It's
picture
reco-
or video?
it's still recording.
Oh, no. Oh, that'll be a
Okay,
good
smile.
one. That'll be a good one for the big screen.
Yes.
Okay, shut that thing off.
Okay,
No.
3.
Close up. Walk in close up. Right.
No butt shots. Hey. Not mine, anyways.
It's not gonna stop until you're done.
You're welcome.